Jai Sriman Also Bharata, our Kulaguru, Vasishtha Maharshi, the one who is Brahmavetta, the one who has so much of great knowledge. Are you respecting our Kulaguru Vasishtha very well, Bharata? Like that, Ramachandra Swami inquiring so many things with Bharata about the entire kingdom also. Sri Ramachandra Swami inquiring all the details about kingdom and everything with Bharata, asking that, oh Bharata, how is Kausalya Mata, Sumitra Mata doing? How is Kaikeyi Mata doing? Is Kaikeyi Mata happy with the kingdom now? Oh Bharata, are you respecting and worshipping all our Purohitas very well? Oh Bharata, Kachidagnishrute yukto vidhigno matiman ruzuhu. All the Purohitas, our Acharyas, are they keeping you informed about all the yajnas and yagas, what they are doing and what they are going to be doing? Oh Bharata, Kachid Devan, are you doing yajnas and satisfying all the devatas? Kachit Pitrun Matrun, Bharata, are you listening to parents' words? Oh Bharata, are you taking care of parents very well? Oh Bharata, are you respecting parents very well? Oh Bharata, are you serving parents very well? Oh Bharata, are you listening to Acharyas very well? Oh Bharata, are you respecting all the learned people? Oh Bharata, are you respecting those who are elderly people not only in age but also in wisdom, but also in experience? Are you taking care of them very well? Are you respecting them very well? Oh Bharata, our Acharya who taught us archery, Sudhanva, his name, are you respecting him? Are you taking care of our Dhanurveda Acharya Sudhanva very well? Oh Bharata, did you appoint all the reliable persons as your ministers? Oh Bharata, did you appoint those who learned Niti Shastram as your ministers? Oh Bharata, did you appoint those who would not be influenced by any bribes as your ministers? Oh Bharata, did you appoint those who will be able to evaluate the people? Such great psychology experts, did you appoint them as your ministers? Oh Bharata, are you doing all kind of decision making with your ministers in a very secret place? The keeping all your decisions as secret is the indication for your and root cause for your success. Oh Bharata, are you controlling your sleep? Oh Bharata, hope you are not taking any decisions by yourself. Kachin mantrayase naikaha. Also, I hope that you are not taking any decisions with so many people. Kachinna bahubhissaha. If you take a decision by yourself, there may be so many bad things you may not realize. If you take any decisions by discussing with so many people, you will never come to a decision and it never comes to a conclusion, and before that, that will spread all over the kingdom. That should not be done. Also, oh Bharata, are you doing any kind of big projects with very less expenses? Whatever the projects having less expenses but gives so much of result, such kind of activities are you doing? Such kind of projects should not be delayed anymore. Immediately you have to launch that kind of projects. Are you doing that? కశ్చిదర్థం వినిశ్చిత్య లఘుమూలం మహోదయం క్షిప్రం ఆరభసే కర్తుం న దీర్ఘయసి రాఘవ. భరత, ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రేట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ which is involved with less expenses but gives more results? Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami inquiring Bharata all about the kingdom. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka, a Gita Shloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these shlokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita Shloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.